Imagine standing on the edge of existence, gazing into the vastness of space, where time bends, galaxies collide, and invisible forces shape the very fabric of reality. The universe is more than just a collection of stars and planets. It's a cosmic puzzle filled with mysteries that defy our understanding. Here are 50 mind-blowing facts that will take you on a journey from the birth of the cosmos to the farthest reaches of our imagination. Prepare to have your mind expanded as you explore the incredible, the bizarre, and the awe-inspiring truths about our universe. There's a supermassive black hole at the heart of every galaxy. Active galaxies often pump out 100 times more light than a normal galaxy. With the discovery in 1963 of quasars, it was clear that the light comes not from stars, but from a central region smaller than the solar system. The only conceivable energy source is matter heated to incandescence as it swirls down onto a giant black hole up to 50 billion times the mass of the sun. In the 1990s, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope found that, although active galaxies account for only about 1% of galaxies, supermassive black holes are no anomaly. Almost every galaxy, including our Milky Way, contains one, but starved of a food supply, most have switched off. The universe has the same temperature everywhere. The heat of the Big Bang fireball was bottled up in the universe. It had nowhere to go, so it is still around us today and is called the cosmic microwave background. The weird thing is that its temperature 2.725 degrees Celsius above absolute zero, 270 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature possible is essentially the same everywhere. The first gravitational waves detected came from a binary black hole system nobody predicted. On the 14th of September 2015, gravitational waves were detected on Earth for the first time. These ripples in the fabric of space-time, predicted by Einstein in 1916, came from the merger of two black holes in a distant galaxy. Briefly, the power pumped out was 50 times greater than that of all the stars in the universe combined. But this was not the only jaw-dropping aspect of the event. 95% of the universe is invisible. There is a discovery so amazing that it has yet to trickle into the consciousness of most working scientists. Everything science has been studying these past 350 years is but a minor contaminant of the universe. The universe was born. This may be one of the most mind-blowing facts about the universe on our list. The universe has not existed forever. It was born 13.82 billion years ago. All matter, energy, space, and even time erupted into being in a titanic fireball called the Big Bang. Most of the stuff in the universe has repulsive gravity. The universe is expanding, its constituent galaxies flying apart like pieces of cosmic shrapnel in the aftermath of the Big Bang. The only force operating should be gravity, which acts like a web of elastic between the galaxies, slowing them down. The sun is producing only a third of the neutrinos expected. Hold up your thumb. 100 billion neutrinos are passing through your thumbnail every second. 8.5 minutes ago, they were in the heart of the sun. Solar neutrinos are a byproduct of sunlight-generating nuclear reactions. When Ray Davis set out to detect them, with 100,000 gallons of cleaning fluid down a mine in South Dakota, he expected to confirm the standard picture of the sun. Most planetary systems are different from ours. Scientists hate to invoke anything special about our situation in the universe. Special is improbable, while typical is probable. But the discovery of planets around other stars, at last count, more than 3,500 have been confirmed, has created a headache. None is like our own. We appear to be alone. Could this be the most profound of all our facts about the universe? There are approximately 100 sextillion stars in the universe, and probably more planets than stars. Yet in all this immensity, there is only one place we know of where life exists: Earth. Despite searches for intelligent signals, no sign of intelligent extraterrestrial life has been found. The order of planets can be remembered with the following mnemonic device. My very easy method just speeds up nothing. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets, in order to be considered official, must follow 3 rules. 1. They must orbit a star. 2. Be shaped like a sphere. 3. And it must have a gravity-induced clear path of travel. 1 year on Mercury is shorter than its day. Mercury takes about 88 Earth days to revolve around the sun, while it takes about 176 Earth days to make one full rotation on its axis. Pluto, discovered in 1930, was considered a planet for less than a century. In 2006, it was recategorized as a dwarf planet because of its size and orbit pattern. Pluto is half the size of the United States. There are 5 dwarf planets in our solar system: Pluto, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, and Eris. According to NASA, the name Pluto was proposed by Venetia Burney, an 11-year-old girl from England. There are 226 moons in our solar system. Planet Jupiter has 79 moons. Mars, the red planet, has blue sunsets and sunrises. The moon is believed to have come from a broken-off chunk of the Earth. Saturn has a color-changing, hexagon-shaped hurricane on its north pole that was discovered in 1981. The planet Venus spins backward. Its sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Mars days are called sols to differentiate them from Earth days. Sols on Mars are about 40 minutes longer than days on Earth. Mars and Venus are the only planets in our solar system that do not have moons. Olympus Mons, a mountain on Mars, is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Space begins 62 miles above the Earth's surface. Halley's Comet will pass over Earth again in 2061. The Sun takes up about 99% of the solar system's mass. The average temperature of the universe is 2.7 degrees Kelvin, minus 455 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 270 degrees Celsius. The universe used to be a lot hotter. Scientists suspect the average temperature could have been as high as 10 billion degrees Kelvin. As the universe expands, it cools down, meaning that in the future, it will be a lot colder. The nearest galaxy to the Milky Way is called the Andromeda Galaxy. You can see the Andromeda Galaxy in the Andromeda constellation. When 2 of the same metals touch each other in space, they automatically bond to one another. This phenomenon is called cold welding. Our sun reaches temperatures of 5,800 degrees K, 9,980 degrees F, or 5,526 degrees C. The twinkle effect that stars have is actually an optical illusion. The Earth's atmosphere skews the star's light, making it look twinkly. Unlike stars, planets do not have a twinkling effect when viewed from the Earth's surface. Over 60% of the known galaxies in the universe are spiral galaxies. Stars are classified into 7 different groups: O, B, A, F, G, K, and M class. Each letter class represents the star's sizes, temperatures, and luminosities. The unfathomable size of the universe. The observable universe is estimated to contain more than 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars, making the number of stars in the cosmos mind-bogglingly large. Quasars, brightest objects in the universe. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe, powered by supermassive black holes at the centers of distant galaxies. The vastness of the cosmic web. The cosmic web is a vast network of filaments and voids that connect galaxies across the universe, creating a complex and intricate structure. The ever-expanding universe. The universe is expanding, and the galaxies within it are moving away from each other. This discovery led to the Big Bang Theory, explaining the universe's origins. The moon's impact on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull creates tides on Earth, influencing ocean currents and the planet's overall climate. The concept of time dilation. Time dilation is a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity, where time passes differently for objects moving at different speeds or experiencing different gravitational forces. The unseen universe, dark nebulas. Dark nebulas are dense clouds of gas and dust that obscure light from background stars, revealing intricate patterns against the starry background. The birth and death of stars. Stars are born from the gravitational collapse of gas and dust in stellar nurseries, and their life cycle ends in various ways, such as supernovae or becoming white dwarfs. As we journey through the mind-bending wonders of the universe, it's clear that our cosmos is far more complex and mysterious than we could ever fully comprehend. In this vast, ever-expanding universe, every discovery brings us one step closer to uncovering the ultimate truths of our cosmic home.